Hey guys, okay, I got a good one here. $12.44. I'm hoping this one's silver. I had a big block of concrete right here, so I gotta get to the edge. Where's the edge of this thing? I wonder if it was just sitting right on top. Nope. Let's see. Wow, doesn't get any better than that. Okay guys, finally got under this. I think it's a front step. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got something. What is that? Oh, sweet. Belt buckle. There you go. Perfect. Guess I'll start digging signals under concrete. How can we get something else? Alright, here's a beauty, I hope. So it's 12:41 at 6. $12.40. Feel this shovel just cutting roots. All right, come on, silver. What are you? Oh, you're an old penny. It's gonna be a... I'm surprised at that number. It is a wheat penny, I believe. Yep. 1926. Nice. You guys, okay, we got it's pretty clear. 12:38, 39, 7 inches. Should be right there. 35. Might be a bottle cap. This field's got so many bottle caps in it. And pull tabs. Which I don't dig much. But it does have old silver, so I'll take that. Let's see. What is that thing? A key. A key from National Key. It's a pretty old key being down that far. This one's kind of a weird one. You guys can see that. $11.40. 43. Let's see what we got here. Got a little doggy war going on behind me here, I guess. Let's see. I would assume penny, but penny. At least an, oh goodness, it is. It's a weedy. That's cool. What year is this one? 1950, 57. Wee penny. That's okay. Silver Age. I located it already, so I'll just listen to it. So that's 13.45 down 6. So it's right just ahead of that. Based on today, I'm going to assume that this is a penny, but there's no cherry picking up here. You've got to dig everything. It's actually pretty deep for in here. Let's hope. Oh, get out of here. Look at that. Oh, it is a silver one. Yep. Haha. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I taped this. I haven't been taping anything. I'm going to show you guys this. You guys can see that. That one's in actually really nice shape. Typically these, I'm just going to wet it and see where we are. There we go, 1916. That's awesome. I knew there had to be another silver in this field somewhere. I found 3 here last year, and a bunch of Indian heads and large pennies, so I figured, you know, it would work, but finally got one. Yay! Keep plugging. Maybe I missed another one in here somewhere.